Alright, what's up y'all? Today I'm gonna teach y'all how to UV unwrap. UV unwrap is the process of taking an object from the XYZ coordinate system, then converting it into a 2D coordinate system, which is U and V. UV unwrap often involves in using seams to unwrap models or things. So today, I'll be using this object as an example for today's video. UV unwrap is quite a little bit easy. Sometimes sharp edge objects, you only need to use these options right here. Just click on it. Oh, wait a minute. Click on it and just press mark seam. It works like magic. Then we just press U, angle based, and unwrap it. You feel me? And it's the end of the video.